Rajyapal K. Chandrasekhar Rao has asked for competitive exams to be held in local languages. KCR has demanded all competitive exams in regional languages. Recruitment to Government of India PSUs through these exams are currently held in English and Hindi, and those who don't study in this medium therefore are at a disadvantage. Uma joins us live with all the details. Uma, it's a very reasonable ask, as you've been saying, on the part of the Chief Minister. However, there is a political angle to this story as well.
Absolutely. I mean, in all the non-Hindi states, certainly this would be something that would be having a lot of resonance and not without merit either, because the Chief Minister is arguing for equal opportunity and fair opportunity for all candidates belonging to non-Hindi states, non-Hindi belt, and also those who have not passed through the English medium. But yes, it needs to be seen in the larger context of the politics that's also happening, because while KCR is articulating on behalf of all those who are aspiring to be part of public sector units or banks or even the central government recruitment through UPSC or SSC or Railway Recruitment Board, he's also been talking about conducting a conclave in the second week of December, where he is bringing together the non-BJP, non-Congress fronts against the centre. And as we all know, the BJP is largely seen as a Hindi belt party, and this is an issue that would have resonance across the non-Hindi states, as I was mentioning. The second thing is municipal elections that are happening in Hyderabad, and where the BJP is suddenly looking at itself as a major player, or at least wants to emerge as a major player, and therefore has deputed even central kind of leadership to monitor and strategize here in Hyderabad. And the TRS here has in fact mentioned its support to PSUs and to against the disinvestment of the PSUs in a GHMC election preparatory meeting. You must note the timing to understand that this is obviously very election oriented, and it has immediately borne fruit. He has told these PSUs also that he will support them against the disinvestment that the central government wants to carry out, whether it's in an LIC or in the railways or any of the other agencies. And Hyderabad does have a large number of PSUs, and already has got benefit in the sense that many of these unions have now said that they are going to support the TRS in these municipal elections. Back to you.